In this video, I'll show you how to make a sticker using Canva. If this helps you, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing so others can find it. Okay, once we're inside Canva, we're gonna go ahead and click on Create a Design. You're gonna choose the size that you wanna work with. And once you have your new project, you're gonna go ahead and click on Elements and we're gonna add our sticker. I'm gonna use this dog and I'm gonna click on the background and choose a different color so we can see better. Once you have your sticker, you're gonna go ahead and click on it and then you're gonna click at the top where it says Edit. If your sticker has a background, you're gonna go ahead and delete it by clicking on Background Remover, but this one doesn't. So what I'm gonna do next is click on Effects and then go to Shadows. Then I'm gonna click on Glow and I'm gonna put size all the way out, blur amount to 0, and then intensity to 0. Then I'm gonna choose the color that I want surrounding the sticker. In this case, I'm gonna do white. Then you're gonna position your sticker and then add the size that's gonna help you for printing. And once you have your sticker ready, you're gonna go ahead and click on Share, Download, and you wanna download it in a PNG and then click on Transparent Background. And there you have your sticker ready to be printed. Hope that helps.